Yo, what up, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts, and I got this app that I want to do a cash out on. It's called Fetch Rewards. The link to it will be in the description. You can use my code. You'll actually get a $2 sign up bonus. So, real quick, I'm just going to show you how easy it is to use this app. You're basically going to get paid to grocery shop. All right, so when you actually download the app and all that good stuff, this is what it's going to look like. Now, you can scroll down and you'll see here stuff that you can get points for. So, say for instance, I want to go get these Flintstone vitamins. I'm going to get 3,000 points, which is basically equivalent to $3. Right? When you spend $20 to get that. If I want to get this, I'll get 1,000 points. It's $1. If I want to get these, 500 points. Things like that. If I want to get these deodorant, that's $1. Mayonnaise, $1. You know what I'm saying? So you can see things that you can actually buy and you'll get points for. Now let's say you just don't buy anything specific. They have brands that you can use, and you see here there's over 292 brands. So you click on view all, it'll show you all the brands that they have in kind of different categories. So like say for breakfast and cereal, all these different brands of cereal that you can pick from, you'll get points for actually buying these brands. So the most important thing to do to remember is that whenever you go grocery shopping, this is an app that you must take a picture of your receipt, just because it's going to see different brands that you bought, different products, and you get paid for. Like you literally get paid for every single receipt that you get, but like the more items that you buy that are actually on the app, like the different brands or the things at the beginning, like, you know, if you want to actually purchase something that's already on here, like, you know, you'll get 500 points, 1,000 points, things like that. You can really stack up your money really fast with this app. So when you make your grocery list, I would recommend kind of looking at this app and seeing what's on here, seeing what you can get cash back for. You know what I'm saying? Because say for instance, you need mayonnaise. You know, you go here on this app, you take a picture of your receipt and there's mayonnaise on it, you're going to get 1,000 points, you're going to get $1. You know what I'm saying? That's $1 cash back. And you needed mayonnaise anyway, so now you're basically getting paid to get what you were going to get anyway, even if you know, didn't know about the app. So that's why it's really a good app in my opinion. Like whenever I go grocery shopping, you know, I always make a list and I try to compare it, you know, with this app because, you know, I want to get as much cash back as I can. You know, it's always best you can get a lot for a little. So like I said, this app really helps me out with that. Just it's very simple. Just take pictures of your receipt, the different brands that you can get. I mean, there's so many different things on here. Just going back to the different brands that they have, it's like I said, it's over 292, and they're in different categories. You know what I'm saying? So just kind of look at it and see what they have. Like frozen food, that's a big one. You know, ice cream, Ben and Jerry's is in there. You got Cool Whip. So many different brands. Just like it doesn't matter what it is. You just, you know, take a picture of it because usually, you know, when you go grocery shopping, you buy some of these things anyway. So now you're going to get paid for them. So I just wanted to show you guys that. And you can actually, when you cash out, you get paid instantly. So I'm going to cash out in this video and I'm going to show you how I get my money instantly. But first, let me show you the things that they have that you can get on here. You can kind of, you know, rank where you want your points, how you want to do it. Like, you know, things that are under 3,000 points, you know, 5,000, things like that. And you'll see here, you can enter sweepstakes. These are the gift cards. You know, you can do like a movie theater, like AMC gift cards, things like that. You can also go down different gifts, you know, like flowers and stuff like that. MasterCard and Visa, those right there. They also have retail, which is a big one. You got restaurants. That's a really big one. A lot of different restaurants gift cards you can get. I think it said 50 of them, right? You have 50 restaurant and gift cards. The retail, or the grocery stores you want to use. So like, look, like say for instance, Walmart right there. Walmart gift cards. And they got Target in here as well, right there, Target. So, I mean, there's something on here that you can get that you would like. Me personally, I'm going to actually get the where is it at? The MasterCard. Even though it's actually cheaper if I got one of those restaurants or retail gift cards, I just want the money just for this, you know, purpose of this video. So I'm going to actually, it doesn't matter which one I get. I'm just going to click on this, the $10 one. And all my stuff is already set up. So all I got to do is click get my $10 reward. Are you sure you want to use your points for this reward? Yes. And now it's going to send the code to my phone. I'm going to actually enter that code and then I'm going to validate it and I'll get paid instantly. So let me do that real quick. Let's see. Let's see the code. All right, so let me type that in real quick. I'm gonna validate it. Right there, your reward is waiting for you. All right, so basically I already got it. It's in my email. So now I gotta go, all I gotta do is check it. So let me do that real quick. Just make sure my points actually went down. You see there, my points went down. So now I'm going to actually check my email and make sure that I got it. So let me do that. That's not it. Go to my email. I'm going to refresh my email. And it's not there yet, but usually it takes like a few minutes. So I'm going to pause the video. You see here is 8:56. Let's see how long it takes for them to send me my reward. All right, so you see there, 8:56 is when I got it. So it's literally like the same minute. It's actually 8:57 on my phone, but that's when I got it. I was actually in my Gmail account, but I forgot that I have it set up with my Facebook, which is on Yahoo. So you see there, your reward is there. So I click on that. And I basically just go down here and I can actually get my reward right there. I just got to put in all my information, like my name and address and all that good stuff. So you see here, it pays instantly. All you got to do is just scan your receipts whenever you're grocery shopping. Very, very easy money. Like I said, the link to it is in the description. Use my code so you can get a $2 sign up bonus as soon as you download the app. All right, it's easy money. You can't let this pass you up. Download it today. Get paid instantly to grocery shop. All right, sign up. If you're new to my channel, I want you to subscribe because I'm always showing you guys new ways to make money online from home, completely free, with all these different free sites and apps that I'm showing you through my videos. Easy money, put a lot more money in your pocket to do whatever you want to do with it. All right, so this is just another app you want to use. Like I said, use the link in the description. Type in the codes. You can get that bonus. Start getting paid today. Get paid instantly. Grocery shopping doesn't get any easier than that. All right, y'all. So sign up and always remember, every penny counts.